Guys, what's going on? Ed here. So this is probably going to be my last video for the year. Hope you guys had a very good 2013. I know I did. I graduated and did a bunch of other stuff. And yeah. Anyway, I'm going to make this short since most of you guys are probably just going to watch the airsoft video that's coming up. I may or may not provide commentary because I'm just going to do this a quick edit because I have to leave in a few minutes. So happy New Year's to you guys. I wanted to make a video of recapping my year, but I don't have time, and so yeah, happy New Year's, guys. Stay safe, and if you're in SF and you see me walking down the street, because I will be there for New Year's, feel free to stop on by and say hi, what's up. Anyway, enjoy the paintball video. It's not from my perspective, it's from my friend's GoPro since I don't have one or any action cams type of deal, but yeah. What's going on, airsofters? Ed here. So we're here at Mr. Paintball in Escondido. You just saw me right there. I'm actually right on the right now, walking. So I'm actually not filming. This is my friend's footage from his GoPro. I still need to buy one. You see I'm running up the hill right now. We're actually at one of the top, we're at the top CQB field for this. There's about 3 or 4 other areas for matches. And this is our first match of the day. We're actually just playing a warm-up since we just got there. And as you see, the man on the right is Henry and the other guy is Jer. He looks like Captain Price. I don't know why he bought that hat, but anyway. So right now we're choosing teams, and we just want to play a warm-up game since I believe Henry and Jared have never played airsoft. So as you can see here, we're just getting ready.
Go on that side. Just trying to kill each other? Yep. We have 4 lives total. So we go back here. Respawn. 5 seconds. Yep, gotcha. Well, so if we get shot, we got 4 times respawn. So if we get shot, like over there, we just come back. We'll come back here. Wait 5 seconds and come back. What do you want to do? You want to run left, right? Or you want to go? Okay. Alright. Get ready, honey.
We actually can't hear each other on opposite sides of the field.
Ready? You guys ready?
See, at this point we're saying ready to each other, but in honesty, I couldn't hear each other. I couldn't hear Drew, and Drew could not hear me on the other side, so basically I yelled at the top of my lungs to countdown.
Ready?
Right now we're going to start. And Drew's using the, what is it? I believe the Elite Force H&K M27 IAR, the limited edition. So this gun is a beast compared to ours. And you probably saw my other video. I actually am using my Sima EBR, so it's kind of pretty big, a big gun to be using in this field because. This is a CQB match against me and, oh, I believe that is JR.
No,
yep.
No.
Never use cover.
No, I don't see him.
At this point, I believe I'm in the middle area because how this field is on the left. Oh, no, I believe I'm right here.
I got 4 still. I'm gonna stay here. I'll run that way. Henry! Box in front of you! They're going back, they're going back. Respawn. Ah.
At this point, I believe I have 3 lives left, so...
Henry, right side! What's that bus? You done?
Right now, we're actually probably going to go right to a quick deathmatch. Yep. I get hit. My gun actually jams at this point.
That was what? What score? What score? Okay. Game. Should I stop? It's still recording? Yeah. Game, yo. Oh. Yeah. I could hear your BBs flying. That's game, yo. How you doing over here? Huh? Already? This one? That's all right. Let's go back to reload. Yeah.
So overall, it's a great game. I hope you guys enjoyed this footage. Stay tuned for more footage from the rest of this day later on. Alright, see you guys later.